बच्चों, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's start the new topic, and today's topic is, guess it? Very good. Recording and spreading knowledge. Let's get started. Take the correct writing materials to write on the given things. Let's proceed further. Humans evolved by observing their surroundings and experimenting with new things. Earlier, people could only pass on their knowledge verbally to the next generation, but it was difficult to remember everything. This way only a few people could gain knowledge. Gradually, early humans learned drawing, painting and writing. Due to this, knowledge was recorded and communicated in a better way. तो जब हम कुछ सोचते हैं ना कि मुझे ये याद रहेगा, मैं बाद में उसको बता दूंगा, जैसे आपके साथ भी होता होगा ना, तो आप तो भूल जाते हो. इसीलिए ये मेथड शुरू किया गया. और पहले के लोग जो थे उन्होंने भी तो सीखा था ना ड्राइंग करना, पेंटिंग करना, राइटिंग, जिससे कि उन्हें याद रह सके, है ना. सो यही बेटर वे है बच्चों. डेवलपमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ राइटिंग. Earlier, the form of written communication was pictorial or through pictures only. जैसा कि आप साइड पे पिक्चर देख रहे हो ना. Pictures of animals have been discovered in the caves where early humans lived. Such paintings have been discovered on the walls of caves in France, Spain and India. Gradually, the pictures were replaced by signs and symbols. The Sumerians of Mesopotamia were the first to develop a system of writing called a script. I hope आप लोगों के हाथ में पेंसिल है ताकि आप अंडरलाइन कर सके important points को. They wrote their signs on blocks of clay called tablets. Many of these tablets have been discovered. The Egyptians developed a script using pictures and symbols about 5,000 years ago. Even today, the Chinese and Japanese scripts are based on pictures and symbols. Such scripts which use pictures and symbols are called hieroglyphics. Most languages today use the system of the alphabet. The alphabet are symbols representing different sounds. The first proper writing system based on the alphabet was probably developed in Syria. The Roman alphabet, which is used to write the English language, comprises 26 letters. The oldest script in India was discovered in the seals of the Indus Valley civilization. Even experts have struggled to decipher the scripts, and it still remains undeciphered. Later, the Brahmi and other scripts were discovered. The majority of scripts used to write Indian languages have been derived from the Brahmi script. Hindi is written in the Devanagari script. Development in the field of numbers. Earlier, counting was done with sticks and pebbles. Early humans used pictures and symbols to keep track of how many animals they killed. The Romans developed a system of writing numbers in which 7 symbols were used to write numbers. This common system of writing numbers is now used in most parts of the world and is called the Hindu-Arabic system. This system uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. The decimal system of counting and the concept of zero यानी शून्य originated in India, and then it spread to Arab world. Arabs called the Indian system of numbers Hindsa, meaning of India. तो शून्य तो भारत ने ही दिया है numbers. हाँ जी, भारत ने. तो हमें proud भी feel होता है ना इस बात के लिए. Story of paper. The ancient Egyptians made paper from the stem of a plant called papyrus, and the term paper is derived from the word papyrus. The Chinese invented paper about 1900 years ago. It was probably made from the pulp of the bark of the trees. Wood pulp is now used to make paper. Earlier books had to be written on paper by hand, which was a slow and expensive process. Therefore, books were very rare, and with the invention of printing press, the demand of paper and books has increased. Invention of printing. Printing was invented in China around 2100 years ago. The Chinese cut designs of flat blocks of wood. Ink was applied on the block. आपने देखा भी होगा है ना, ब्लॉक्स में जैसे हाथों पे भी ब्लॉक से मेहंदी लगाई जाती है ना, वो ब्लॉक्स पे क्या करते हैं, इंक लगा देते हैं ना. इंक was applied on the block and it was pressed it onto the paper. जो इसी तरह तो प्रिंटिंग की जाती है ना, ब्लॉक्स पे लगा के इंक और उसको पेपर पर प्रेस कर दिया जाता है. Thus an impression of the design was made on paper. This method was used by the Chinese to print books. Though the books, blocks took a long time to make, several copies of a book could be made from them. In the year 1440, Johannes Gutenberg, a goldsmith by profession from Germany, built the first printing press and he made several small metal molds of the letters of the alphabet called types. चलिए पहले नॉलेज बूस्टर देख लेते हैं. वाटरमार्क्स ऑन पेपर वर फर्स्ट यूज्ड इन 13th century इटली. चलिए लेट्स प्रोसीड नाउ. तो क्या बुलाया जाता है उसे, टाइप्स. सो these could be arranged to form words, lines and pages. This was called typesetting. Ink was applied on the molds, was pressed onto paper to get the print. Once a book was printed, the individual letters were disassembled and reused. The Bible was the first book printed on Gutenberg's printing press. Books could now be printed significantly faster and at a cheaper cost. Try to answer. Write T for true and F for false for the following statement. A Braille script for the blind. Louis Braille developed a unique script for the blind. It is referred to as the Braille scripts. The letters in it are formed by dots raised on thick paper. Blind people can read the dots by touching them with their fingers. It is made up of patterns of raised dots arranged in cells of up to 6 dots in 3 into 2 grid. Each cell represents a letter, numeral और punctuation mark. तो थैंक यू सो मच उनके लिए जिन्होंने इन ब्लाइंड पीपल को एक अच्छी राह दिखाई जिससे वो लोग भी पढ़ सकते हैं. राइट, ओके. सो बच्चों, ये जो आपने चैप्टर रीड किया, आई होप आप बहुत अटेंटिव थे. लेकिन अभी हम कुछ पॉइंट्स, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को रीड करने जा रहे हैं. तो लेट्स रैप अप बच्चों. Humans evolved by observing their surroundings and experimenting with new things. Earlier people could only pass on their knowledge verbally to the next generation, but it was difficult to remember everything. Earlier the form of written communication was through pictures only. Pictures of animals have been discovered in the caves where early humans lived. Earlier counting was done with sticks and pebbles. Early humans used pictures and symbols to keep track of how many animals they killed. The ancient Egyptians made paper from the stem of a plant called papyrus. The term paper is derived from the word papyrus. Printing was invented in China around 2100 years ago. Louis Braille developed a unique script for the blind and it is referred to as Braille script. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Okay, let's have a look on checkpoint now. Pick the correct answer in A part. क्या करना है आपको? You have 3 choices. You have to choose among these 3 कौन सा right one है. Fill in the blanks with correct answer. तो ये statements आपके चैप्टर में से उठाई गई हैं बच्चों. Read the statement in your chapter जो आपने information gain की है. एक word miss है, get the word from your chapter. राइट शॉर्ट आंसर्स एंड राइट आंसर्स इन डिटेल. तो आप क्या करेंगे, शॉर्ट आंसर्स को 3-4 लाइन्स में आंसर करेंगे और डिटेल में लिखने के लिए आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देना पड़ेगा. राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक. Assertion reading a reason question. In each of the following questions, a statement of assertion A is given and a corresponding statement of reason R is given just below it. Make the correct option. Hoard's global consumption of paper has increased by almost half since 1980. Why have e-books and smart boards failed to reduce the uses of papers? सोचिए, डिस्कस इन योर क्लास। इतना सब होने के बाद भी वो जो स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स आए, जो ई बुक्स आई, फिर भी हम लोग पेपर का यूज़ कम नहीं कर पाए। थिंक अबाउट value based question life skill. Do you know the concept of zero has been given by India? Discuss with your mathematics teachers about the Indian number system. Proper, you have to now make a project activity, prepare a PowerPoint presentation on the story of paper and show it in your class and have fun. Enjoy.